Hello guys, now you will see a great selection of the coolest products from Amazon. All links to the products in the description below the video.
Whether your drink is staring at you from the coffee table, balancing nervously on the sofa arm, or waiting to be knocked over on the floor, we have the perfect solution for you. Couch Coaster, the ultimate drink holder for your sofa. Its sleek body wraps over the arm of your couch and holds all your favorite drinks, hot or cold. With an integrated mug handle slot and handy adapter, it makes light work of holding mugs, tumblers, bottles and cans. Couch Coaster's secret is its weighted non-slip silicone body, which provides optimum support for your drink over different shapes and sizes of arms on your fabric or leather suite. Couch Coaster's sleek design looks great on any armchair and comes in a variety of colors for the perfect match in your own living room. So, whether you're watching your favorite show, reading your favorite book, or enjoying a casual dinner, Couch Coaster is great for the whole family.